In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Odoo accounting software step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Odoo is a powerful, all-in-one business and accounting platform, and once you understand the basics, it can completely transform how you manage your finances. We'll start from logging in, accessing the accounting app, and then creating your first accounting entry inside Odoo. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to odoo.com login. You can simply search for Odoo login on Google and click the official link. Once the Odoo login page opens, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password associated with your Odoo account, then log in. If you're new to Odoo, you can also create an account at this stage. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Odoo dashboard. From here, click on Apps. This section shows all the applications available in Odoo that you can use for your business, such as sales, inventory, CRM, and accounting. Locate the accounting app and click on it. This is where all your financial data, invoices, bills, and transactions will be managed. Next, click on Start Now. Odoo offers a free trial, so you can begin using the accounting features without any upfront cost. Click on Start Now again to confirm and launch the accounting application. Odoo will now open your accounting workspace. Once you're inside the accounting dashboard, click on New. This allows you to create a new accounting record. Click on New again to start entering a new journal entry or transaction. From the list of available accounts, select your bank account, such as the HDFC account shown here. This is where you'll record transactions related to that bank. From this screen, you can start adding transaction details like dates, descriptions, debit and credit amounts, and save the entry. This is the basic workflow for recording financial data inside Odoo accounting. As you continue using Odoo, you can explore features like invoices, bills, bank reconciliation, and financial reports to get a complete picture of your business finances. And that's how you use Odoo accounting software step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future guides on Odoo and other business software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.